Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, printer NV HP 6000 series. Now I'm going to show you how to print using Android devices on this device. So to do it, you just need to open the document you want to print, then click More, or click on the three dots button on the right top corner of the document, and here you will see Print button. And you will see the printing interface, and great. So choose the photo or document you want to print, then you need to select the printer. Here in the network you will see the printer, all network printers, so your printer must be connected to the internet, to the same internet your smartphone is connected. You need to know about it. And choose here your HP NV6000 series. For example, I have 6020, and then just click print. Unfortunately, I can't print because I have no inks on my printer, and I will not print it right now, but if you want to print, you can do it in this way. That's it. Thanks for watching, and bye. See you.